Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix can't join public server on Meccha Cameleon. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you are in the game and you go to the Find Server option, then select Find Public Server, click Find Server, and try joining any server. You may notice that the game loads for a few seconds, but then sends you back to the home screen instead of joining the server. If you are experiencing this issue, don't worry, I'll show you how you can fix it. Next, open the Settings app on your Windows PC. From there, go to Time and Language and then select Date and Time. Here, make sure the Set Time Automatically option is turned on. If it is already enabled, scroll down and click on the Sync Now button to synchronize your system time with Microsoft's time servers. Once the synchronization is complete, close the Settings window and launch Meccha Cameleon again. Now, try joining a public server once more. In many cases, an incorrect system date or time can prevent the game from connecting properly to the servers, and syncing your clock resolves the issue. And that's it! So that's basically how you can fix can't join public server on Meccha Cameleon. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!